China has always amazed the world with its technological innovations. But this time, the surprises are on a whole new level. The pace of its inventions has become so extraordinary that you might find yourself wondering, are these technologies really meant for our time? Is the world truly ready to embrace such futuristic innovations? So, let's take a look at some of the incredible technologies China has been quietly developing behind the scenes. What if you could travel across the city without using roads at all, simply by flying through the sky? China's EHang 216-S drone taxi is turning that vision into reality. This advanced aerial vehicle can carry 2 passengers and fly at speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour. Powered by an environmentally friendly electric motor, the EHang 216-S doesn't even need a pilot. Everything is controlled completely autonomously. But that's not all. Even if one of its propellers fails, the aircraft is designed to land safely, adding an extra layer of reliability. Do you know what else makes it so special? The EHang 216-S flies quietly with very little noise, making it an ideal solution for busy cities. It can avoid traffic on the ground, get passengers to their destinations much faster, and its intelligent autonomous flight system is designed to provide the highest level of safety. For short trips within cities and nearby areas, this drone taxi is set to usher in a whole new era of transportation. And since this technology already exists, don't be surprised if you see one flying in your city sooner than you think.
Can a car really float? It sounds unbelievable, but BYD's Yangwang U8 has turned that imagination into reality. The Yangwang U8 is one of the world's first luxury SUVs designed with emergency floating capability. It is built to handle both rough terrain and unexpected flood situations. One of its most impressive features is its advanced hydraulic suspension system, which can raise or lower the vehicle by up to 15 centimeters. This allows it to adapt to different road conditions with ease. When the vehicle encounters deep water, it can float and safely cross water up to 1.5 meters deep. While floating, it can even move at a speed of about 3 kilometers per hour. If the SUV suddenly becomes trapped in a flood, it automatically activates its emergency floating mode. The engine shuts down, the windows lock, the air conditioning continues running, and the sunroof opens to provide a safe emergency exit while helping keep the occupants secure. This emergency mode can protect passengers for up to 30 minutes.
Imagine boarding a train that doesn't run on the ground but hangs and glides through the air. China has turned that dream into reality with its incredible SkyTrain. It looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. A futuristic transportation system designed for the cities of tomorrow. The SkyTrain can carry up to 200 passengers at a time and travels at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. What's even more impressive is that it was built in just 7 months, about the same amount of time it takes to construct a conventional railway line. So, what makes it different from ordinary trains? The biggest advantage is that it travels above the streets, avoiding traffic congestion and providing a smooth, uninterrupted journey. It reduces the risk of accidents, saves valuable urban space, and costs about the same as building a traditional rail system. Perhaps the most remarkable feature is that the space beneath the elevated track remains completely open. That area can be used to build parks, create new roads, or develop other public spaces. The SkyTrain is more than just a train. It's a glimpse into the future of urban transportation. Just imagine if a train like this arrived in your city. It could completely transform the way your city looks and moves. GSC Global has given us a glimpse of just how exciting the future of personal transportation could be. This isn't just a flying car, it's an entirely new way of traveling. Imagine a vehicle that can drive on the road like a normal electric car and then lift straight into the sky. That's exactly what the EHang X3 is designed to do. It looks and drives like a regular electric vehicle on the ground, but thanks to its advanced 8-motor system, it can take off vertically and begin flying within seconds. In the air, it can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour and remain airborne for approximately 35 minutes on a single flight. You can choose to fly it manually for a thrilling experience, or simply switch to autonomous mode and let the vehicle handle everything on its own. One of its most impressive features is the 270-degree panoramic cockpit, giving passengers breathtaking aerial views of the city from above. Another smart innovation is its ground module, which can recharge the flight module while the vehicle is on the ground, saving valuable time and making the entire system much more practical. It's safe to say that the EHang EX3 is more than just a vehicle. It represents another major leap in technology, turning what once seemed like science fiction into reality. For those who want to enjoy both travel and comfort, the EHang 75 is a dream floating home. It's not just a boat, it's a complete floating villa that sets a new standard for luxury living. Measuring 75 feet long and 32 feet wide, this incredible floating villa offers around 4,350 square feet of modern living space, giving you all the comfort of a high-end home on the water. The roof is equipped with a 36-kilowatt solar power system that generates its own electricity. It also collects and stores rainwater, allowing you to enjoy a completely off-grid lifestyle without relying on public utilities. Inside, the EHang 75 features 4 luxurious bedrooms and 4 elegant bathrooms, designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience. Its advanced hydraulic leg system lifts and stabilizes the home above the water, keeping it steady even during rough weather. This makes it not only environmentally friendly, but also exceptionally safe. The EHang 75 is more than just a floating house. It's a perfect example of sustainable luxury and eco-conscious living. It represents the future of modern waterfront living, combining innovation, comfort, and environmental responsibility in one extraordinary home. With a price tag of around $500,000, it's designed for those who want to own one of the world's most extraordinary engineering achievements. The Lazareth LM5496 proves that the future of transportation is no longer just imagination. It's becoming a Imagine a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past. The EHang Flyer is a personal electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, making urban air travel faster and more convenient than ever before. Powered by advanced eVTOL technology, the EHang Flyer is designed to be simple, safe, and easy to use. Unlike a traditional aircraft, it doesn't require extensive flight training or special piloting skills. Simply enter your destination, and its intelligent autonomous flight system takes care of the rest. Although compact in size, this innovative aircraft is built for fast and efficient travel through the skies. Its advanced flight control and stabilization systems ensure a smooth journey, while multiple built-in safety features allow for a secure landing, even in emergency situations. On a full charge, the EHang Flyer can fly long enough to make urban commuting practical and convenient, offering a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Just imagine flying above traffic instead of being stuck in it. The EHang Flyer is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolutionary step toward the future of smart cities and urban mobility. Will we one day see personal flying vehicles like this in our everyday lives? Only time will tell. Imagine calling a taxi that arrives without a driver and takes you safely to your destination. That's exactly what the Zoox Robotaxi is designed to do. It's an autonomous electric vehicle that's transforming the future of urban transportation. One of its most unique features is its bi-directional design, allowing it to drive equally well in both directions. This means it never needs to make a U-turn, making it perfect for crowded city streets and narrow roads. Inside, up to 4 passengers can sit facing one another, creating a more comfortable and social travel experience. Using a combination of 360-degree cameras, radar, and advanced sensors, the Robotaxi continuously monitors its surroundings, detects obstacles, and navigates safely without a human driver. On a single charge, it can operate for up to 16 hours and reach a top speed of approximately 120 kilometers, or about 75 miles per hour. Because it's powered entirely by electricity, the Zoox Robotaxi also helps reduce emissions, making it a cleaner and more environmentally friendly transportation option. The Zoox Robotaxi is more than just a vehicle. It's a smart mobility service designed to make city travel safer, more efficient, and more convenient without the need for private car ownership. The future of transportation is closer than ever, and it may not be long before we see autonomous taxis like this on roads around the world. Imagine how exciting it would be if you were riding in a car that could leave the road and take off into the sky in an instant. Sounds like science fiction, right? But that's exactly what the GAC GOVE flying car is designed to do. This incredible invention can drive on roads just like a normal car, and also fly through the air. Its futuristic design features 6 foldable rotors on top that provide the lift needed for flight. One of its most impressive features is that it can fly to a charging station and recharge itself automatically. Even more amazing, the entire system is fully autonomous, so there's no need for manual controls. All you have to do is enter your destination on a tablet, and the car will safely take you there on its own. When it's on the road, it works like a modern electric vehicle, Its chassis is specially designed to handle narrow streets, making it practical for everyday driving, as well as aerial travel. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot and helps us create more great content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.